On today's episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashian, we are at the North Lakes Hotel for a mega seminar on cable fault location and cable testing. Robert is the product manager for cable fault location equipment at Megger. Megger is a manufacturer of a wide range of different electrical testing equipment, primarily insulation resistance testers or Meggers, but also transformer testers, cable fault testers, cable testers, and a whole wide range of different MV and HV style of equipment. Megger put on this seminar as a way of demonstrating some very recent changes and expected changes to both IEC and IEEE recommendations for VLF and cable fault location to give a bit more of a better understanding for up and coming technologies and to help prompt investment in the right type of technology to be compliant. We're on our first break and we've so far covered your cable types, your fault types, a way of process of elimination to find the right pieces of equipment and the right setup for you. And we've also covered a little bit on pre-location and time domain reflectometry. So we watched a quick video on cable burning technology and the different applications for resonant and high frequency burning. Had our lunch, it was pretty good. Thanks Boardwalk Cafe, that was yummy. So now we decided to go out in the actual boardwalk and have a walk. So we've just done a section on more of time domain reflectometry, as well as looking at ice and decay methods of fault location, and then we looked at some burn reactors, different types of burn reactors, different applications for them, and then watched some cable burn, so both paper impregnated cable as well as XLPE and PER, so pretty interesting stuff. I can't wait to see what they have next for us. Check this out, this is the new Megger cable test van. Hopefully we'll be seeing this beauty shortly and we'll see what kind of goodies are inside. Unfortunately, we weren't able to steal Robert for an interview after the lectures, but I did have a couple of minutes to have a chat to him about a few different situations where really understanding cable fault and cable testing are pretty critical, when and where to use tan delta, as well as what should be a reasonable expectation for site acceptance testing for partial discharge. Alrighty, so I've had about 24 hours to sit on it and stew, and I think my biggest takeaway from yesterday's lecture probably comes down to the changing technologies and the changing sort of conditions we need for testing, and it really does highlight the importance of partial discharge testing while doing VLF.
So yesterday I went to the Megger seminar about the cable fault location, and what I learned was quite a lot more about TD and PD that I never really knew before, so that was very interesting to learn about.
I think the Megger seminar was fantastic. Learned many things about VLFs, PD, TDs. We spent a good time just chatting with the experts and listening to all the technologies that Megger has in stock. So it was a good time to refresh our background and learn new theories and learn new technology coming from Megger. It was very cool, yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. I can't wait to see Megger again, and I can't wait to see what they're going to bring us.